You may recall that we did a workshop on pieced hearts, which I designed to go into the Turning 20 Again quilt. Well, one of my students came to class and said, I don't want to do the Turning 20 quilt, but I do want to do the pieced hearts, which of course got me thinking, why not? So I've designed the quilt behind me using 9 fat quarters. Now actually I didn't need the whole of the fat quarters, but I'm suggesting that you might like to think about 9 fabrics to make the 9 different hearts. As a design option, I think I would prefer to do this. It makes the center of the quilt more of a medallion quilt, and I think shows off the beauty of the sashing. So just a design choice, there's nothing wrong with it. And then I've added on the outer border, which is just a plain fabric. When you add the outer border, do remember that you are going to measure it, you're not just going to lob it on.